Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you the differences between Apollo.io and Lusha to help you decide which AI platform suits you best. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, we will discuss Apollo.io. It provides a vast database with millions of verified accounts, making it perfect for lead generation. It has built-in CRM capabilities to manage contacts and outreach efforts all in one place. Users can narrow down prospects based on specific criteria, increasing the chances of finding the right leads. The platform also includes email tracking to monitor open and response rate effectively. Apollo IO initiative design makes it easy to navigate, but some complex features might be challenging for new users. The free version has restrictions that may not fit larger teams or businesses. Additionally, it charges transaction fee on top of payment processing fee, which could impact profit margins. Now, moving on to Lusha. Lusha is known for providing high-quality contact information that enhances outreach effectiveness. It contact details directly from LinkedIn profiles, making lead generation more seamless. Lusha includes advanced search features to find prospects based on specific criteria and provide real-time update to ensure your data is current. Lusha has a flexible pricing plan suitable for different team sizes but may limit the number of searches or credit, which can be challenged for large outreach campaign. Unlike Apollo, it lacks built-in CRM functionality, so users need to integrate it with other tools for comprehensive management. Pricing can be higher compared to some competitors, which might not be ideal for startups or business setups. If you want a comprehensive CRM with advanced search and email tracking, Apollo might be your best. But if you prioritize high-quality contact data and easy LinkedIn integration, Lusha could be the better choice. That's it.